We're in your playroom right now, and it looks like Santa's just scattered gifts everywhere. Oh, Henry found one. Charlie found one. You guys gotta open them.
Oh, Charlie's going to his exercise.
It's a trampoline, guys. Maybe Daddy should help you open your gifts.
What is that?
It's a bell. Yay! Look, Charlie likes his new bed. Yay!
Charlie, look. Charlie.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. The one flaw.
Let's Daddy open their gifts for them. Look, guys! A puzzle!
Yay!
Look at
more puzzles!
all right.
Oh.
The mega puzzles. What's next?
What is this?
Charlie, you're gonna like this one.
Look. Looky.
Let's read and sing together.
Looky.
It's time for a rhyme.
Charlie likes to look at books.
Loves books. Oh, Henry. What is that?
It's time for a rhyme. It's rhyme time.
Okay, we got some more stuff still.
Here.
And we'll open the rest later. I don't want to overwhelm your little brains. Ooh, what's that? It's a rainmaker.
Would you like one? Oh, looky. They're like, where are our old toys? This is all crazy. Yeah.
They're like, I don't know what to play with first. Charlie, you've got your own, baby.
Henry. Yay!
All right.
Yay!
You guys scored. And this is only 25% of it.
Just the beginning. You
Wow.
don't even know what this is yet.
All right, guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
2009. You're 1 year old. Bye, guys. Charlie. Henry. Bye.